Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is the day 1 of my 30 days LeetCode challenge, where I can solve problems on LeetCode from data structures and algorithms. This will help us improve our logic and coding skills. So today we are starting with level 1 and the topic is array. You can choose any programming language you like. I am choosing C++ because it is very good for DSC. Now let us understand the problem statement. We are given an integer array called nums. An array is just a list of numbers. Like here you can see nums has been given with 1 to 1, where the length of the array is n. Here n is 3. Now we need to create a new array called answer. The length of this new array should be 2n. That means double the size. What should we put inside this new array? First, we copy all the elements of nums one time. Then we copy the same elements again. So we join the array with itself. This joining is called concatenation. Concatenation means combining or joining two things. So the final array becomes 1 to 1, 1 to 1. So if you understand the problem statement, we can move further with the solution. First, the class has been given default by the LeetCode. Here we can write just the logic and the code. First, we create an empty vector called answer. This vector will store our final answer. First loop, we go through the nums array one by one. Each element is added to answer using pushback. Now answer has one copy of the array. Here pushback operator is used for adding the element at last of the variable. So again we can create the second loop. We again go through the nums array. We add the same elements again to the answer. Now answer has two copies of the array. At the end, finally we return the answer. The problem is solved. Here we can run the code and you can see we can pass all the test cases which has been given by this problem. Now we try to submit the code. Here our code is successfully submitted and it has beat the 100% accuracy. So code time complexity is big O n and the space complexity is big O n. This was a very easy array problem for beginners. This is an easy start how to copy an array and join it with itself. This is the day 1 of our challenge. More problems are coming. If you like the explanation, keep learning and keep practicing. Thank you. Keep supporting.